Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. My name is Teacher Ron. Welcome to my classroom. Para maging updated ka sa ating mga video tutorials, please subscribe and click the notification button. Ngayong araw ay pag-aaralan natin ang floor and ceiling functions. The floor and ceiling functions give us the nearest integer up or down. For example, what is the floor and ceiling of 1.46? Para malaman natin ang floor at ceiling ng 1.46, i-plot natin ang 1.46 sa number line. Ito ang lokasyon ng 1.46 sa number line. Ano ang mababang integer na pinakamalapit sa 1.46? Iyon ang floor ng 1.46. Ano naman ang mataas na integer na pinakamalapit sa 1.46? Iyon naman ang ceiling ng 1.46. Therefore, the floor of 1.46 is 1. The ceiling of 1.46 is 2. What if we want the floor or ceiling of a number that is already an integer? Madali lang. Walang mababago. Halimbawa, what is the floor and the ceiling of negative 3? The floor of negative 3 is negative 3. The ceiling of negative 3 is negative 3. Here are some values for you. This column are the x values. This is the floor of x. And this is the ceiling of x. Anong symbols ang ginagamit para sa floor and ceiling? The symbols for floor and ceiling are like the square brackets, with the top or bottom part missing. Ito ang symbol na ginagamit para sa floor of x. Ito naman ang symbol para sa ceiling of x. Based from the examples presented earlier, narito ang kahulugan ng floor at ceiling ng x. Floor of x is the greatest integer that is less than or equal to x. The ceiling of x is the least integer that is greater than or equal to x. Tingnan at pag-aralan natin ang iba pang mga halimbawa. What is the floor and ceiling of 7.451? Very good! The floor is 7 and the ceiling is 8. Ano naman ang floor at ceiling ng negative 4.78? Magaling! Ang floor ay negative 5 at ang ceiling ay negative 4. Ano ang floor at ceiling ng 12? Okay, nice! It is 12. Let us apply the concepts in evaluating floor and ceiling functions. For example, evaluate the function f of x equals the floor of x plus 4 for x equals 2/3. Papalitan natin ng x ng 2/3. So we have f of 2/3 equals the floor of 2/3 plus 4. Let us simplify the floor of 2/3 plus 4. It is equal to the floor of 2/3 plus 12/3. 2/3 plus 12/3 equals 14/3. So we have f of 2/3 equals the floor of 14/3. The floor of 14/3 is equal to 4. Therefore, f of 2/3 equals 4. Another example. Evaluate the function f of x equals the ceiling of x over 2 plus 5 for x equals 5.12. Papalitan muli natin ang x ng 5.12 So meron tayong f of 5.12 equals the ceiling of 5.12 divided by 2 plus 5. What is the ceiling of 5.12? Hey, very good. That's 6. Then we have over 2. So we have f of 5.12 equals 6 over 2 plus 5. 6 over 2 is equal to 3 plus 5 equals 8. Therefore, f of 5.12 equals 8. Now, I want you to try the following. What is the floor of 3.59? The floor of 3.59 is 3. Next, what is the ceiling of 1.003? Okay, very good. The ceiling is 2. What is the ceiling of negative 4? Nice! The ceiling of negative 4 is also negative 4. How about this one? Evaluate f of x equals the floor of x minus 4 for x equals negative 2.15. So, f of negative 2.15 equals negative 7. Last, evaluate f of x equals 2 times the ceiling of x plus 3 for x equals 3 over 5. F of 3/5 is equal to 8. That's it. I hope you learned something. Laging tatandaan, math ang pinakamadaling subject. Thank you for watching. God bless.